إن الله ربي وربكم فاعبدوه هذا صراط مستقيم. إن الله ربي وربكم فاعبدوه هذا صراط مستقيم.
Surely Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so serve Him alone. This is the straight way.
فلما أحس عيسى منهم الكفر قال من أنصاري إلى الله قال الحواريون نحن أنصار الله آمنا بالله واشهد بأننا مسلمون.
And when Jesus perceived their learning towards unbelief, he asked, "Who will be my helpers in the way of Allah?" The disciples said, "We are the helpers of Allah. We believe in Allah, and be our witness that we have submitted ourselves exclusively to Allah."
ربنا آمنا بما أنزلت واتبعنا الرسول فاكتبنا مع الشاهدين.
Our Lord, we believe in the commandment you have revealed, and we obey the messenger. Make us then one of those who bear witness to the truth.
وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
Then they schemed against the Messiah, and Allah countered their schemes by schemes of His own. Allah is the best of schemers.
إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاعل الذين اتبعوك فوق الذين كفروا إلى يوم القيامة ثم إلي مرجعكم فأحكم بينكم فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
And it was part of His scheme when Allah said, "O Jesus, I will recall you and raise you up to me, and will purify you of the company of those who disbelieve, and will set your followers above the unbelievers till the day of resurrection. Then to me shall all of you return, and I shall judge between you regarding whatever you differed among yourselves."